that was just amazing to me. It just something inside me just said, oh my gosh, suddenly it became real. It just became like, wow, this is like some really significant work, and we're finally doing something to really make our house be like our house, our home. So hello, my name is Brent Goodale. I'm the husband of this dynamic team we have here that have done this project on our home, and it was Green Bay Remodeling that we hired at the beginning, and they did a great job on getting this entire kitchen remodeled, including a powder room and a moving of a front door, and it was a very large project, and I really enjoyed it.
My name is Nora Goodale, and I am very happy with how the remodeling turned out. I love my kitchen. Thank you, Green Bay Remodeling. We like the proposal. We actually like the fact that they have a way of tracking how the remodel is going to go. The materials, the project, etc. And also, they were very realistic on what we should do with our house. I wanted some things that we were not able to accommodate within our budget and within the constraints of our existing home.
I was actually pretty amazed at some of the really large changes that were made, how quickly they did them, because I expected things like this is going to be a really long process, and they did things that I thought were going to take weeks. They did them in days, and I was pretty amazed.
For me, it was the fact that the project manager, Rodham, we were always in constant communication through text, and that was constantly going on with ideas, with things that we need to get done, buy, etc. Overall, it was a great experience. I'm very happy with how my kitchen looks, and I'm enjoying it. The powder room, I'm getting a lot of compliments from my friends and my neighbors, so very, very happy.